Well, Ryan, another draw affected by the weather. 11 points taken back to the northeast. How do you sum this one up?
Yeah, look, in the end of the day, when you're going to play on a used wicket and you lose the toss and have to bowl first, I think you know you're in for some hard work. And for us, I think we battled away really well. I'm so proud of our bowling group. There wasn't much assistance for us on that first day and 3/4, but like I think good bowlers do, they keep trucking in. So look, and again, then you can say, well, you're getting hit for 500, you can fold and walk away meekly, but our group doesn't do that, and that's what I'm pretty happy the way we batted. David Beddingham keeps showing how good he is, and everyone chipped in. So look, you know me, I hate playing for draws, but there's occasions where at times there's no other option, and unfortunately that's the way the game sort of led, rightly or wrongly, whichever you want to look at it. Hampshire batted for quite a long time, and we couldn't get the breakthroughs we needed. So at the end of the day we walk away still intact.
Yeah, you mentioned there that Bedders was able to get some runs on the board, and Leesy as well, and everyone kind of chipped in. And also you mentioned that there could have been instances where the team folded. It's another instance of us not doing so. How impressive is that for you? As there have been several occasions this year where results could have been another way if the batters didn't stand up.
Yeah, the batting group as a whole has gone really, really well. And again, that's not putting pressure on our bowling group, because let's be honest, we played on some pretty flat wickets, this year, and people might say that's Division 1 for you, but I'm not convinced it is. I think wickets need to have carry to get through, and I think people also forget. And again, I'm not having a crack at groundsmen here, because we know the summer's been terrible and all that, and the winter's been horrible. But if you want to produce fast bowlers, we don't need a kookaburra ball and all the talk about that. We need pitches that carry. And if you've got pitches that carry, people like Bryden Cass and Matthew Potts and Sam Cook and all these guys who are on the brink of playing for England, they can be developed. But mate, if you're bowling without slips on day 2, day 3, then mate, that's tough.
Looking ahead to the next game, we go to Lancashire away on Friday. What differences does it make from playing at a ground like this compared to a club ground like Blackpool, which we'll be playing at?
Well, people talk about the carry at Blackpool, so I'm looking forward to seeing that. They've produced really good wickets in the past, so look, I'm really looking forward to the game. I always feel, look, I love the county system and I love the big grounds and all that, but it's always a good feel when you go to an out ground. I'm sure they'll have lots of people there. The wicket should be good, and Lancashire, they've had their problems, and we need to jump on that. And we may have a pretty good inclusion depending on how it goes. But look, we'll see what happens there. But yeah, I think our squad as a whole is in pretty good spirits, and we look forward to getting there.
You mentioned it there. Very obvious talking about Ben Stokes. Is it now this is a sort of time where we can expect to have him become available for some more Durham games?
Well, again, that decision will always be up to Ben Stokes. He's gone through everything he needed to go through. We just have to tick a few boxes, obviously, with the ECB and those sort of people. But hopefully you'll see him in a Durham shirt sooner rather than later.